is in Goa, giving lots of facilities to everyone. I have a house in Goa and I feel safe now because the BJP government is there. We as women, we feel safe. My mother is very happy. She is getting a lot of benefits as a widow. There are relatives who are senior citizens. They are getting lots of benefits. I hope if BJP comes to power, every state of India gets the same benefits that are being given to people in Goa. I hope so. Students are getting free education. I'm told right up to graduation. I don't know, you could check. The main reason why I'm here is, we are talking about conversions and the anti-conversion bill. I hope you are aware of the subtle conversions taking place, where people are marrying our Catholics and indirectly converting them to their religion. I hope something will also be done about that. The second thing is, there's the Ranganath Mishra Commission, which has given 15% reservations to minorities, 10% only for Muslims and 5% to all other minorities, including us. The Mandal Commission reservations came out in 1992, given to on the socio-economic basis. It was given to all minorities. It was implemented for everyone, and only the Christians were left out. Dr. Lewis, the president of the Bombay Catholic Sabha at that time, he went and met Sharad Pawar, the chief minister of Maharashtra at that time, and he agreed, yes, it will be implemented. Till today, it has not been implemented. The Congress has not implemented it for the Christian community. These are government benefits in government educational institutions and in government jobs. These are the decision-making jobs, the government jobs. Now, I want to know whether your government, when they are going to implement it for us, if it will come to power, I want the reservations for the Christian community. We deserve it. Don't give us the stepmotherly treatment. We are also tax-paying citizens of India.
Thank you, Jane.
Hello. Hello, Marjan. Everybody has spoken about everything. I know you are a pilot, maybe a good pilot or a bad pilot, I wouldn't know. But anyway, you know the Malaysian plane, what happened to it, just vanished. So I hope your plane does not become like that, and it just vanish. You come over here, tell us something, and then it just vanishes. My only one thing is 2 points over here. In your manifesto, you all have said that you will bring black money back home. There's a lot of black money which is stacked abroad. Now let me tell you a little research that I've done from Switzerland. All the money is gone to Cayman Islands and this islands and that islands. And there's a lot of corruption also issue. These two issues are very major issues. How do you propose to bring this black money back home? Thank you.
Okay, we've covered reservation, black money. Yeah, I think Poonam, we need to address that. And also address the fact that a person who joins the BJP receives flag.
Asked him, luckily. That question was asked our Mumbai president. Few questions were asked to me. Parrikar is the face which has shown that Catholics, our own people, they loved Parrikar, made him the majority BJP government in Goa. So what Parrikar has decided, that wave will be all over India, that I can assure you. Subtle conversion marriages, no question answer, you'll understand what I'm trying to say. So that's why conversion laws. But again, anything in the constitution, I'm ready to make my best, put in my efforts. And you have seen the team, everybody, we are not talking about one dynasty, one name, one person. It's all about us as a teamwork. You have seen him working. I won't be like a Malaysian plane. I feel sometimes Malaysian plane is taken by aliens. I really don't know. I mean, they can't find a... And Alkatai, Ashish ji, everybody, all have worked. We all are team BJP. We have been putting our efforts, connecting with you. And I'm so grateful that all of you have come. Maybe this must have not happened 10 years back, what Ashish has put in his efforts with you. And he has 100% performed, that's why you've come him to bless him and somehow to connect with me. If I'm connectable, not connectable, depends on you. I completely understand it's democracy. But I appeal all of you, no fear, no guilt, it's all about us. There is a separate love To the community, I said anything for the community, Christian community, which comes in the ambit of our constitution, I will do it for sure. Though it is about the conversion you spoke about, I don't want to talk about secularism, communism, because that's only a vote bank politics which we want to talk about development, pro-development. I just want to talk to you and request all of you to come out and vote for me. Trust me, the people have raised so many issues and questions for past 60 years. Atalji tried his best in India government to connect with ideology, non-ideology, but put it forward as a developmental idea. But he had only 5.5 years with him. I assure you, we have given 60 years to Congress, few of you. Give us 5 years and try and test us. You have your one finger, this finger, please. This is the power you have. If you think the person has not done anything, you can just phase us out. But the way you have loved BJP's candidates, I don't think I have to perform much better, because it's a competition now that we have already done as a family and as a team. We will be putting few more steps forward. My seniors sitting here, वो तो कान पकड़ के मुझसे काम कराएंगे if something goes wrong. And the love you have given to Ashish, to Alkatai, I hope you give it to me, and I'll try my best to perform the best, be available and be credible to this community. Thank you very, very much, and may God bless us all. And bless us all in 2014, because this country needs a change, deserves a change. All of us needs development and change. So I hope all of you come out on the 24th and vote for BJP, Kamal ka button, Lotus, and press for Poonam Mahajan. Thank you very, very much. God bless all. Thank you.